Hey guys, so not fixing anything on this episode, but I do have a little surprise. I've got 910 subscribers, I think, as of this video, and my goal right now is to get to 1,000 subscribers. And when I do, I got a little surprise. I have a giveaway. It's about a 14-inch LED light bar with Mountain hardware and everything. Don't remember the name brand on it, but it's new out of the box, and it's a 5-row LED, mostly flood, so it doesn't cast light very far, but general close area is really bright. So when I get 1,000 subscribers, go through my sub list and pick out a name at random, try to get in touch with you. If you respond, I'll ship it out to you. If not, within a certain amount of time, I'll go down the list, pick another name until I find somebody who's interested in it. And hopefully I'll be able to do more of these giveaways. I come into some stuff fairly often, so hopefully I can. But for right now, I'm waiting on 1,000 subs, so tell everybody, share my channel, and hopefully we'll be there soon. Thanks, guys.